Mounted lock. Step 1. Place the installation drawing on the fire door, mark the drilling places, and drill a hole using a 35 pi hole cutter. Step 2. Position the plate on the marked position on the inside of the door and screw in the 4 online screws, pH number 8 by 20. Step 3. Insert the keypad wire into the hole from the outside and fasten using the 2 pH 5 by 27 screws from the inside. Step 4. Connect the connector that comes from the keypad to the PCB connector. Tuck the wire into the hole and secure the plate onto the door using 4 pH 4 by 25 screws. Step 5. Position the front on the marked positions on the frame and fasten the 4 online screws, number 8 by 2. Step 6. Insert 4 AA batteries 1.5 correctly into the battery pack and place the cover. Installation checks. Make sure the open and close buttons and the emergency handle work well. Password input. Press the input button on the lock and enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the keypad and dial star. Password opening. Press the start button on the keypad and enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 followed by star to open the door. Touch key setting. Press the input button on the lock and place the touch key on the touch key terminal 1 by 1 and then dial star. Touch key opening. Place the registered touch key on the touch key terminal. Mounted lock.